Get ready to step into the future of sneakers with Adidas FutureCraft 4D. Adidas is revolutionizing the game with a groundbreaking collaboration with Carbon, a 3D printing company based in California. Teaming up with Carbon, they've gone beyond proof of concept, using liquid polymer for 3D printed soles. At the unveiling, Carbon's innovative digital light synthesis or DLS technology was revealed: liquid resin, UV light, and a touch of magic. DLS is a breakthrough resin-based 3D printing process that uses digital light projection, oxygen-permeable optics, and engineering-grade materials to produce polymeric parts with exceptional mechanical properties, resolution, and surface finish. Adidas dreams of personalized 4D soles, custom fit for every individual using digital imaging technology. Not just tech, these sneakers are a work of art, almost too beautiful to wear. Adidas FutureCraft 4D, changing the sneaker game forever. The future is now, and Adidas is leading the way. Let us know if these kicks are hot or not in the comments.